right, this is what we're going to cover today. I think you will have some idea because Sec 1 you already started algebra. So we will proceed on and let me know if any part you're not sure. So today what we're going to do is we're going into the topic of expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. So we're going to learn about expanding and simplifying quadratic expressions, expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions involving multiple unknowns. And then we're also learning factorizing algebraic expressions by grouping. All right, so I'm going to go through, let's see, what is this? I'm going to go through some of these. The first one, expanding and simplifying quadratic expression. Okay, maybe what I'll do is I will do the first one to show you. Now in algebraic expression, if you recall, now this is what you're supposed to do when you expand. Okay, you take the first one multiplied by 6. You take the first one multiplied by x, the second one. Same thing, you take the first one multiplied by minus 5x, take the first one multiplied by this. Okay, so I'm still going to show you. First one, minus 7x times 6, that gives you minus 42. Then the next one, minus times minus will give you plus. I hope you know that. Minus times minus give you plus, and then 7x squared. So the next one, we're going to do 3x times minus 5x, you get minus 15x squared. And then next one, plus 3x times minus 2, you get minus 6x. All right, we're going to rearrange. So whatever that we can add, 7x squared minus 15x squared, we are going to have minus 8x squared. And then minus 42 minus 6x will be minus 48x. Okay, so that's the answer. Any question? Is this okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, All right, maybe you want to tell Mr. Ko how to do the second one? You just tell me verbally, I will do the write up for you. I'll do the writing for you. You need Mr. Ko to guide you? Okay, Mr. Ko will guide you then, okay? So same thing, the first one, minus multiplied by 8x, so you get minus 8x. Next one, minus multiplied by 5, so you get minus 5. Then minus 3x times 7, you get minus 21x. And then minus times minus, that gives you a plus. 3 times 8, 24x squared. Okay, I'm going to just rearrange them. As I rearrange, I will add this minus 8x minus 21x. So the first one is 24x squared minus 21 minus 8, so minus 29x. And then finally minus 5. Okay, so you notice I actually order in such a way that x squared goes first, and then this x, and then the constant. Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. Minus 1 times minus 1 gives you 1. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay, then minus 1 times 8x gives you minus 8x. Is this all right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that Mr. Go expanded A and B already, do you have any question?
No.
Okay. So this is what you're going to do the questions later. I'm going on to the next one already. Okay. Now, the next one is expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions involving multiple unknowns. Now, what's the meaning of multiple unknowns? Okay, multiple unknowns, you have R, you have S, you have X, you have Y. Now, the expansion is the same, so I'm going to just draw the arrow again. So the first one multiplied by this. So that means I'm going to tell you minus 6R multiplied by minus 4X. Okay, this is what happened. And what will you get? You get 24 Rx. Okay, so I'm going to write down the first term, 24 Rx. Now, next one, I'm going to take minus 6R times minus 8Y. So minus 6R times minus 8Y. Okay, what do I get? Minus some minus plus 6 times 8, 48. I get Ry. Okay, so I'm going to write the next one plus 48 Ry. After you've done this already, the next one will be this here, minus 7s times minus 4x. So you get plus again 4 times 7, 7 times 4, 28. Okay, sx. Okay, I'm going to write that down. The next one, minus 7s multiplied by, sorry, minus 7s. I'm going to clean this off. Okay, minus 7s multiplied by minus 8y. So minus times minus give you plus 7 times 8, 56 sy. Okay, so I'm going to plus 56 sy. So you notice one thing is they are all different for Rx, Ry, Sx, Sy. Okay, so after you expanded already, this is what's the answer. Okay, are you all right?
Yeah.
Okay, now can I ask you to do B? Show me how to expand B. Okay, so you want Mr. Ko guide you how to do B?
Is it minus 8x times 7?
Yeah, what do you get? Okay, what do you get? Minus 8x times 7.
Minus 58, 56x.
Very good. Okay. Okay, the next one.
5y times 8t.
Wait. One by one first. Minus 8x times minus 8t. You see, you always do the first one first. First one with the first one with the second one. Okay.
Okay.
So what you get?
Minus 72. Wait.
No. 8 times 8. So we deal with the sign first.
64xt.
Okay, you deal with the sign first. Minus times minus give you a plus. So 8 times 8 give you a 64. Then x times t, you arrange become tx. Is it all right? Okay, now the first one multiplied by the third one. Okay, minus 8x times minus 6u. What do you get? Are you okay?
48xu.
Okay, plus 48. Okay, either you put xu or ux. So you arrange according to alphabetical order. U, V, W, X. So U comes first, so you put UX. Okay, so now we are finished with the first one already, first term. Now we will do with the second term. 5y times 7. What will you get?
35.
Y. Okay, 35y, you must remember the y. Next one, 5y times minus 8t.
Minus 40yt.
Okay, ty, ty. Okay, yt is also okay, but we try to arrange according to alphabetical order. Okay, last one, 5y times minus 6u.
Minus 30uy.
Very good. Okay, minus 30uy. So you notice one thing is they are all different. X, tx, ux, y, ty, uy. Okay, so that's the answer you will leave behind. Is it all right?
Okay.
Okay, so this is expanding and simplifying algebraic expressions involving multiple unknowns. Now I'm going on to the next one. Okay, this one, factorizing algebraic expression by grouping. Okay, what do you mean by grouping? Okay, first of all, Mr. Go asks you, can you recall factorization in Sec 1? Know how to factorize or not?
I forgot.
Okay, so for instance, I have 2x plus 6y. So when I factorize, I take out 2, then I put a bracket. So 2 times what give you 2x? 2 times x. Then 2 times what give you 6? 2 times 3. Okay, so this is called factorizing. All right, is this okay?
Yeah.
So now you say factorization by grouping. So I'm going to group. Okay, let's say I group. Okay, before I group, I look at this ax, by, bx, ay. So both of them are different, ax, by. So I must put all the a together. So I put 6ax, I rearrange, plus 15ay. Okay, so now, since I put x first, then y, so the next one will be minus 8bx, and then minus 20by. All right, so this is called rearrange, rearrange. Now after I rearrange already, I can factorize in this group. There are two groups here. So the first group I see, 6 and 15, the common factor is 3. Ax, ay, the common factor is a. So therefore, I take out what is common in these two. So I take out 3a. So I put the bracket. So 3a times what give you 6ax? 3a times 2x. Okay, so 3 times 2, 6ax. Next one, 3 times what give you 15? 3 times 5. Then a, so y is missing, so I put y. So 3a times 5y give you 15ay. Okay, so this is the first grouping. Now I go on to the second factorization, the second one. 8 and 20, I know that minus 4 is common. Bx, by, I know b is common. Okay, so I'm ready to factorize already. So I pull out minus 4b. Minus 4 times 2, minus 8. Okay, x is not there, so this is what happened. When you multiply, you should get minus 8bx. Next one, this is the one that you need to be very careful because already you got minus. Minus times what give you minus? Minus times